What if I told you that this blurry image that you're seeing with blue background could become something like this? See how sharp it is. Hmm? See how sharp it is. See how blurry the original is, right? You can see how blurry the original is. But then in less than few minutes, I will use AI to remove the background and then also use it to enhance it. So you can see how it has become. Now let's get into it. So today I will show you a free AI tool that removes backgrounds, enhance image quality, and also save graphic designers a lot of stress, right? So the name of the tool is called Nohat.cc, Nohat.cc. You can see .cc. And then you come to the website. There's a lot of things you can do on this website, but I'm going to be showing you just these two, right? Image of scalar and then remove BG. You understand? You can also use it for mockup and a whole lot of things, right? But we'll talk about all of that, maybe in the next video or something. But in this very one, let us learn how to remove background. So you come here and click on remove BG, right? Remove BG. Once you remove BG, you come here, you can click here to upload the image that you want to remove the background from. Or you can come here and click here to also upload the image. It is the same thing, right? It is the same thing. You just click on the image and upload it, right? You can even close this one. This one is purposely for uploading images, but you can close it and use this one that is here, right? Just close it like this. See the closing there. You understand? Then, now that you have this, just move it to the left like this. Hmm? Then you now see all these things here. You can remove this thing. Right, I don't want to mention it. You can remove this. You can remove BG. And then you can upscale it two times, times two of this, or times four of this. So let's remove the BG. Remove BG. You wait for it to load. It's loading here. You can also click on it and type remove BG here. But since you have it here, you can just be clicking and be going instead of coming here to type remove BG. Right? So on this load, you are going to now, you can see it has removed the background. So neat, so clean, so beautiful. You can see how it came out. Then move it to the left and then move this one down like this. Move this like this so that there will be space. Then when you remove the background like this, the next thing you need to do is to upscale it. You can upscale it two times, but I want it to be much more sharp. This is it. If you are working on a billboard design, or you're doing a banner, a big banner, you need to always use quality images. Even for online flyers as well, you need quality images that is well enhanced. So because I want it more enhanced, I'll use times four. Enhance it four times. You understand? Then you wait for it to load. It will multiply this sharpness. It will multiply it by four. You understand? So let it load. Now you can see the difference, right? Even without downloading, you can see the difference. Now move this one. We don't need it again. Then you move this one like this. You can still upscale it. You can still upscale this one. This is the already upscaled one, but you can still upscale this one if you want. Just click times two again. Then it will still upscale it for you, right? So when you are done upscaling, you can now right click and then come to download. And then you take it to this website, this place. When you come here, you will see download AI results here. Then you click on it, and then it will open the image for you. You will see how it will take time to open that image because it is very, very sharp. And when the picture is sharp, it's always heavy. You understand? Now you see the way it's opening it. It's opening it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, you see what I'm doing for you guys? So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. That's great together. Now you can see how beautiful this is, right? Then you just save it. Let's save it with our image. then you just save. Now, if you now want to enhance it further, it's already enhanced like that. But if you want to now do more paparazzi on it, let's open it. See, but if you want to now add more efficacy to it, what do you need to do? You just need to come here like this, and then you drag it to Photoshop, our image. Drag it to Photoshop. When you bring it here, you just go to camera raw. You come to filter, and then come to camera raw filter. Like when you come to camera raw filter, you come to basic. You increase the exposure a little. Can you see? Increase the exposure a little like this. Increase the contrast. Increase the contrast. And then you can increase this highlight just a little also, right? Just a little also. And then you can come to texture, increase the texture of the image, and then this clarity, increase it like this so that you can also reduce it, but don't reduce it too much. Just increase it a little. Just increase it a little, right? And then you can now come to detail and then come to sharpen and then you increase sharpen like this. You understand? To make it sharp. And then you click OK. Can you see from here to here? From here to here. So that is it. You now save it. Hmm? You now save it. Right, has finished saving. Now, can you see our image? You see what we turned that image to? It's heavy. You have to wait for it to load. You see? Can you see what we did to the image? Let's go and see the original one. See the original one. And then see the one that we turn it to. I see the difference. I see. So the difference is very, very clear, you understand now. So that's it. That is it. Want to upscaler and remove BG. You can also do a whole lot of things on the website. You can see. You can do a whole lot. Let's go back to Nohat. Nohat, right? You can remove BG. You can upscale. You can imagine something, right? Like prompt it to existence. You can work with background. You can give a picture a background. You can use mock-up, right? You can use this to mock your design up. You understand now? A lot of things that you can do with Nohat.cc, right? So start using it, and then you can give testimony later, right? So I will see you guys in the next video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.